There are many products available to choose. Best kitchen gadgets make everything easy, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. 3 100-hour digital timers with unique alarm sounds useful for timing long events and sub-intervals. Easy read LCD display functions as clock when not timing. Angled face for clear visibility on countertops or shelves. Soft buttons. Non-slip feet for stability and surface protection. 2 AAA batteries included. The OXO Good Grips Triple Timer lets you track 3 events at once or time a long event with secondary intervals. The keypad features soft, easy press buttons. All 3 timers can be set up to 100 hours. Each timer has a dedicated area on the easy-to-read LCD, plus a unique alarm sound. To set a timer, press the corresponding button, T1, T2, T3. The LCD automatically converts to clock mode when a timer is not in use. The angled face is easy to see when placed on a countertop or shelf, and the non-slip bottom provides stability while also protecting surfaces. 2 AAA batteries included. Track 3 things at once with this convenient, easy-to-use, easy-to-read timer. The OXO Good Grips Triple Task Kitchen Timer is a triple-duty kitchen helper that will keep track of 3 different things at once with easy-to-use, 100-hour timers. The inverse backlight, full keypad, and upward angle makes the timer intuitive and easy to use with one hand. Whether you're prepping a big holiday dinner or just have 2 sides cooking at once, the triple task timer will clearly display how much time is left, and 3 unique beeping patterns will let you know which timer is going off without having to check. The volume is adjustable to suit your needs, and the timer features a stopwatch function for counting up instead of down. Features: time 3 events at once or long events with secondary intervals. Color black. Each timer measures 100 hours on a specified line of the easy-to-read LCD. Numeric keypad has soft, easy-to-use buttons. Even when hands are wet, each timer sounds with a unique alarm display. Converts to clock mode when the timer is not in use. Dimensions: 3" by 4" square. 2¼ high batteries included. Item weight: 150 g. Human interface input. Numeric keypad. 3 100-hour timers track multiple events at once. Large, easy-to-read reverse backlit display. At a glance, full keyboard for quick and intuitive timer setting. Angled up and sturdy base for one-handed use. Features adjustable volume and stopwatch function. Whether you're baking multiple batches of cookies or keeping track of sides at dinner, the OXO Good Grips Triple Task Kitchen Timer will help things run smoothly. With 3 100-hour timers and a stopwatch function, this timer is the perfect kitchen helper, and it has a large, easy-to-read screen with an inverse backlight. The full keypad is intuitive to use, and the angled design with sturdy base means you can set timers with one hand. The timer's volume is adjustable, and 3 unique beeps tell you exactly what timer has run out without having to check. Need to count up instead of down? The timer also features a convenient stopwatch function. 3 AAA batteries included. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.